Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to simplify the sales order process by automatically carrying forward pack sizes in Logic ERP. Let's get started. First, head to the Sale Order module. Click on Configuration. Select the relevant sales order configuration and enable the Carry Forward Pack Sizes option. Save the changes. Click on New Order to refresh the window. Now, let's create a sales order to observe the impact of this feature. As you can see, after enabling the feature, the pack sizes are automatically carried forward to the next line, making the process faster and more efficient.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.